Joshua's tip of the day. Joshua's tip of the day. Joshua's tip of the day.
Joshua's tip of the day.
Hello family, and welcome to Joshua's Tip of the Day. Today we're going to discuss our new confessional booth and testimonial booth on how to use it and the functions of it and why. So the confessional and testimonial station here is for all the Morphians to come and give a description about their day, how they're feeling, and also open up a place for testimonials from anyone to explain about their experience, good or bad, and open this up for a new forum for people to be heard here on the farm and for our experiences far and wide. So how this is going to work is there's this chair and it's positioned so close to the GoPro. As you can see, the location is fairly similar to Remember, so if the chair does get moved, this is the correct location to put it back. So once you're ready, you'll take your seat and then take a deep breath. And then from here, you can say, GoPro, start recording. From here, it takes a couple seconds for it to blink red, and then you can actually see that it has started recording. After you see the blinking red light, then is the time to give your confessional or testimonial at this time. After the completion of your testimonial or confessional, you will say, GoPro, stop recording. From here, it will stop, and then you will say, GoPro, turn off, and it will turn off. If you're having issues with the voice commands, it has a manual button to turn on the side. You would click this, and then you would see the screen turn on the front with a flashing red light. Then to start recording, you would hit the top red circle button. From here, you could sit back down and then record your confessional or testimonial.
GoPro, I'm so sorry that I didn't cook the eggs right tonight.
GoPro, turn off. So if it's late in the night and it's getting dark or early morning, we actually have a light installed right above the GoPro. The light switch is over here on the wall. It's going to be the one on the left that you would turn on, and the light comes on. Off, on. On. Off, on. Off,
Yeah.
on. And this concludes Joshua's Tip of the Day. Thank you for joining me, and glad you could make it. Please check back in for the next one coming out soon. Meow.
More flow at